A zombie Scarlet Witch cake. That is what we are making today. Let's get started. Hey everyone, welcome back to Koalipops. My name is Elizabeth Olsen and today we're making this terrifying, oh my god, just scary. I can't even talk, it's just too scary. Now I've created a Scarlet Witch cake before and this is my second attempt, and this one was a lot more fun to create. So let's get into it. So to create this cake, I'm starting with my skull cake pan and I'm using a red cake because she is a Scarlet Witch. I wish I could tell you this was red velvet, but it's not. That would be a lie. It's just vanilla. Now, the Scarlet Witch is one of the most powerful players in the MCU, and so I wanted to make sure that she looked just as scary as she is powerful. So I modeled her after the scariest thing I remember from my childhood, and that was Reagan from The Exorcist. I gave her more muscle definition and like fat tissue. I felt like because she's such a powerful witch, she would decay slower than like the rest of us, like nobodies. Now my favorite part about making this cake was creating the headdress again. I loved creating it the first time, and I loved being able to create it again, but also give it a lot more detail. You'll notice that all of my zombies have yellow eyes except for the Scarlet Witch because she's boss. What do you think? Isn't she so glamorous? Wow. So like I said in the beginning, this cake was so much more fun to make the second time around. I think it might just be the fact that it's a zombie cake, and zombie cakes are always fun to make. But I love how terrifying this cake looks. The Exorcist was one of the scariest movies I've ever watched growing up, but I've watched it several times as an adult, and oh my god, I can't talk. It's just still just as terrifying. A lot of older movies, it almost seems like the special effects don't hold up, but watching her tied to that bed and she's just like spewing mucus and like vomit everywhere, it still looks pretty gross and scary. Mixing that with the power of the Scarlet Witch was just a great combination. This is just one of many zombie cakes that you're going to be getting this month. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this as much as I enjoyed making it. I love you. I'll see you very soon. Bye.